Hey guys, this is Mitch with PC&D. We've had a lot of questions recently on the appropriate ways to clean and maintain carpet, whether it be carpet tiles or a tightly woven broad bloom carpet. So we have invited a friend of mine, Bob Christensen, in from Square Scrub. He is going to go over, for lack of a better term, carpet cleaning 101. Bob works for a company that provides equipment, very aggressive pricing on some of their equipment. We will be glad to connect you with them for purchase if any of the equipment he mentions is something you might be interested in buying. But he also is going to be showing you a very unique piece of equipment. Quite honestly, I've not witnessed or not seen this piece of equipment in my 20 years in the industry, and it looks like it could be a bit of a game changer due to the fact that it's light, it's compact, and it gets into some really tight places. So with that said, we're going to turn it over to Bob, and he's going to go over carpet cleaning 101.
Hey, this is Bob at Square Scrub, the cleaning experts. Today we're going to talk to you about brush height adjustment and chemicals. Now, the reason why this is very important because the illusion out there is that the more brush pressure we have and the more chemical we use, well, the better results are going to be. Well, unfortunately, that simply isn't true. It's very important to remember that the tip of the bristle cleans everything. Solid bristle cleans nothing at all. Now, a good way to tell if you have the right brush pressure or not, if you have a machine that you can operate the brush and vacuum and everything independently, is simply turn the brush on just by itself and lower your brush height adjustment one notch by a time. As soon as you actually hear it hit the carpet or your surface, that's where you need to be. Now, as far as chemical use, again, if you're confused about how many ounces per gallon you're supposed to mix, well, the label on the back will always tell you. As a rule of thumb, carpet extraction chemical will usually mix about 8 ounces per gallon. Rinse usually about 2 ounces per gallon. But when in doubt, read the label. Now, here's the other thing when it comes to mixing your chemical. It ain't just 1 glug per second is 1 ounce. If you don't have a way to properly measure it, go down to your local grocery store, Walmart, Target, whatever you have, and get yourself a 99-cent measuring cup. It will save you a ton of time and a ton of labor down the road. So again, when it comes to brush height adjustment and chemical, make sure you dial it in correctly because your results will matter. Until next time, we'll talk to you then.